Howdy friends, it's May 2nd, 2020. I'm your city manager, Seth Sumner, with your daily COVID-19 update. Today from the Tennessee Department of Health, there are now 12,661 cases identified across Tennessee. There is an increase of 770 new cases since yesterday, which again is a very large increase. That is a 6.5% increase in one day. Now we do understand a lot of the increase that we saw yesterday and some that we see today are coming from tests that are being conducted at state prisons. And so those are populations that are largely asymptomatic, but we are seeing a lot of COVID positives coming from those tests. The governor is concentrating on making sure that, just like in our nursing homes, that our prisons are also going to be very aggressively tested to make sure of who has or does not have COVID-19. There are now 172 more Tennesseans fully recovered from COVID-19. That brings our total to 5,718. There's unfortunately now been 5 more deaths since yesterday, bringing our total to 209 Tennesseans who have lost their lives to this novel coronavirus. There are only 12 Tennesseans who have been added to hospitals that need those precious hospital resources, and thankfully we have plenty right now to handle our load. That brings our total to 1,125 Tennesseans being hospitalized due to this novel coronavirus. A good number that we have been talking about a lot is how many folks are actually getting tested. There was an increase from yesterday to today of 10,144 Tennesseans being tested, which means there are now over 196,276 tested, and largely negative. That's good. That's good. Here in McMinn County, we have 9, thankfully, McMinn Countyans who have fully recovered from the coronavirus. We are slightly up from yesterday with our total cases. We're now at 97 total cases. There have been 1,473 negative tests here in McMinn County. You're doing a great job, Athens, getting out there and make sure you're getting tested. We have to know who has it and who doesn't have it. So we know how to correspond, how to protect ourselves. We are still doing our part by staying apart. We're using proper hygiene. Today, I brought my family out here. You might be wondering where I'm at. I'm out in one of Athens city parks, our beautiful eco park on this Saturday. It's warm, sun shining. Got to be careful not to get burnt today. But you see the red roof behind me there? That is our footbridge over a little creek that has just been added in the last couple of months. And then in the last few weeks, you can see that floating dock, which is ADA accessible. It is absolutely accessible by anyone who needs in a wheelchair or using walker. They can come out here and come out on the water. There's a couple of geese swimming around, doing some fishing out here today. And there's a beautiful fruit orchard, a walking trail. There's a pagoda-style structure where we have picnic tables set up, and you can do like I did today. I went and picked up some food from one of our favorite local restaurants, and we came out and had a picnic. And we're out here socially distancing. There's only been a couple other people out here with us today, but everybody's just keeping to their own and being responsible. We're really thankful for that. I may string my Eno up between a couple trees here in a little while and maybe take a little nap and enjoy this time as my children play nearby in the creek, and my wife is taking a good rest as well. But this is out here just off of Private Brand Way, just like you're driving to Mid-Lab. It's right behind Denso. Before you get to Denso, take a right onto Private Brand Way, and you'll come out here. We have new restrooms we don't have open right now, but they are ready to go. As soon as we get through this pandemic, we'll have those open. New parking lot, and then these cool new structures behind us, and some good exercise, beautiful, fresh little pond and stream for you to check out, and even some artwork here in the park for you to enjoy. Some sculptures, some painting. We have identified the trees and some of the plant life in here, and largely recycled materials have been used in this park that was brought to you, paid for by Denso, one of our largest corporations, our largest employer in McMinn County. They contributed this park with the help of the Economic Development Authority and the City of Athens Public Works and Park System, installing these cool amenities right here, just on the other side of I-75, behind Denso on the way to Mid-Lab. So come out and enjoy this beautiful park here in the City of Athens, Eco Park. I hope you're having a beautiful day with your family. Keep up your social distancing. Keep making sure you're staying on top of good hygiene. You're wearing those face masks if you have to get out to the grocery store or other essential items. So just be careful. Keep up getting tested and doing what you're doing to be responsible, Athenians. I'm very proud of you. You're doing a great job, and we're going to do our best to keep this pandemic at bay and away from our beautiful community and our loved ones right here. So keep it up, and I will be back with you for an update tomorrow. May God bless you, and may God bless